A Toy Unboxers production.
Hello, we will be doing paper recycling. And here is the front side of the box. And here is the back side of the box. Nah, we will not read all of this. You can just buy it and read it. Here's this side. Here's this side. Here's this side with a lot of text again. Here's this side. And now let's open it. Whoa, these are a lot. Let's open it. Ooh, these are string. This is a string. Ooh, paint and a paintbrush. Paint and paintbrush. Ooh, what's this? I don't know what's that. Ooh, I think this is the one that will make it dry up. I think. Ooh, this looks like a tree. Here's like paper thing. And here's the real paper. Fill the plastic bottle with warm water to about 2/3 full. Tear half of the sheets provided into small squares about 2 cm by 2 centimeters and put them into the bottle. Allow the paper to soak in the water for at least 24 hours. Shake the bottle until the contents are mushy. You have now made your own paper pulp. This process takes time for the paper to soften into pulp. Shaking the time. And by the way, please leave us a comment on what we will do next and more fun activities. And now we have a container and it says pour the pulp into a plastic basin or aluminum baking tray. Add water and stir until the mixture looks a bit like porridge and is evenly distributed. Add more water if you want your finished paper to be finer and thinner. Stir it. Let's just stir. Let's now stir until it gets more fluffy. Stir. Let's stir on Stir and stir. Get a plastic screen like this. Put it into the mesh tray. This is not too sticky. Not sticky at all. Lift it straight up out of the pulp, keeping it horizontal. Allow the excess water to drain through the plastic mesh back into the basin for about 2 minutes. And now we'll put wool on this. I get a long piece of thread, a scissor, cut it in small pieces. It's like tearing. Just tear it. This. Place the other plastic screen on top of the pulp sheet. Press on the plastic screen and drain more of the water into the basin. Spare drying the pad made of several sheets of newspaper covered with a cloth holding the screens in place. Turn the plastic mesh tray over and place it on the dry pad. Lift the mesh tray up as shown. We'll gently press on the top screen with a sponge to remove excess water from your pulp sheet. Let's turn the other side and clean it also. Spongy, 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 sponge. Let's sponge everything. Let's turn the opposite side and that's now. And now the next step is to get something very heavy, put it on top and stay it overnight.
Excited to watch the latest toy unboxing? Subscribe now. It's free. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up.